What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin. A little bit of a weekend update. I'll be back tomorrow, of course, but we'll kind of talk about what happened yesterday, what to expect this weekend, what can we expect today, perhaps even already, even though right now, earlier this morning we got some movement, but overall we've been relatively flat since yesterday evening. Volume is also dropping down drastically, which is normal. I mean, the volume yesterday was for $52 billion, right? So what we see right now is normal. But the thing is, and I think that's quite important to say here, is that we can, I think, realistically assume that a lot of the selling pressure last week and just in general the last couple of weeks has been due to the big entities selling Bitcoin, right? So I'm not sure. Yesterday in the afternoon we talked about the German government selling. I'm not sure if they sent any more. It doesn't seem like it. They sent some to different addresses, as you can see right here, but who knows where that's going. They actually, no, it's still unclear where that's going if that's being sold off. But then Mt. Gox, in my personal opinion, I read a little bit more about it and I researched the topic a bit more. And honestly, I would say that the selling off we can expect because of that is going to be relatively minor. All right, there's going to be selling off, of course, and the markets here in the summer are obviously less liquid, and the order books are thinner. That's all for sure true. But I don't think we'll see a massive crash. I do think we can go lower than this, and if you look at the market structure right now, of course, this is still bearish, right? I mean, maybe if we break above 58,000, we can say that at least on the 1 hour time frame we are bullish, but we are bearish. I just don't expect a continued huge sell-off by Mt. Gox. And if you want to, I can make a full video on why I think that. It's for multiple reasons, but I think that's too much to talk about in this video. But I don't think the selling off will be too much. But because of that news, and then yesterday we also got some economic news, which was considered relatively bullish for crypto. As you can see, the dollar strength index has been relatively bearish, which should be bullish for Bitcoin. Hasn't been, but still should be, fundamentally. And then it's the weekend, right? So we are not having any selling by the German government today. So that leads me to believe that we can have somewhat of a recovery. And then if you look at the technicals, you can also see that we are getting some slight bullish confirmations right here by getting a breakout above 54,500 and 55,000. And then also above 56,000. So for me, I would actually say at least for the next 24 hours, all right? So at least kind of into this weekend and into tomorrow. Because what happens tomorrow and what happens Sunday and Monday, that's difficult to say. That very much depends on what happens with those entities selling off Bitcoin. But for now, I'm actually slightly bullish on Bitcoin. CVD has been nicely positive here, also earlier this morning. So for now, I would say that we can see some bullish momentum. All right, so that's the main level to break above to really get some nice momentum is 57,000. If we're not able to break above that today, then I think we'll just have a very boring weekend and we'll kind of move sideways like this, right? But if we can break above 57,000, and I would say that's most likely for today, then I do expect some more bullish momentum up to 58,500. Do I think we can break above that? No. Maybe if the new week opens, but I'll keep you updated on that. My voice is slowly fading away. But something like this, I think, is most likely. If we're not able to break above 57,000 soon today, then we'll just kind of do something like this. All right, so then it's going to be very boring. I think certain altcoins can still perform, but yeah, I'll keep you updated on that. For now, that's what you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.